Good morning, sir, madam. Now I am going to present my capstone project. So I am going to use LMS Canvas here. Now I am going into the LMS Learning Management System, Canvas. So this semester I am handling two courses, one for third year and one for final year. One is EC 850 Digital Communication. Now I am getting into this course and I am going to show you all the parts I have included in this. So this is the syllabus part I have included. Now I am getting into the modules session. So in the introductory module, I have attached the CO-PO matrices here. So this shows the CO-PO matrices of the course EC 8501 Digital Communication. Here the CO-PO matrices is being shown here. And next comes the prerequisite for the course Digital Communication. What are all the things need to be learned before this course are mentioned here. So basics of communication, signals and systems, and applied mathematics are the prerequisites for this course, Digital Communication. Then timetable for the class is also attached here with timetable of third year ECE. So here is the timetable I have attached here with. Then syllabus of the course is being enclosed here with. This is the syllabus of the course. 5 units, it contains all the 5 units. Then lecture plan of this course, Digital Communication is being enclosed here with, so that the students can view the lecture plan. The date and the corresponding topics unit wise has been mentioned here, and the textbooks also for each unit is being given here. Then use of NPTEL videos. The NPTEL videos link is also shared with the students for the concerned topic which is taught in the online class. The students can view it in the free time also, and during the class hours also, online class hours also, the video is being shown to the students. Then assignment plan. What is the assignment plan is also being included here. We are going to give 3 assignments. So the assignments topic is also included here. Then comes the innovative method plan. So for some topics in each unit, we are going to conduct the innovative methods. So Mentimeter activity, lecture video, class poll, brainstorming, like that. So these are all the innovative teaching method plan I have included here for this subject. And contact and meeting hours. So weekly 3 hours is allocated for this subject. So every week 3 hours. So Monday 1 hour, Tuesday 2 hours, Thursday 1 hour, like that. Here the hours had been allocated here, and all the class hours are performed through online Google Meet platform. So instructions are given to the students both through mail as well as WhatsApp also. So this is about the contact hours and meeting hours for this course, Digital Communication. So next comes the academic schedule. So our college has given this academic schedule for this odd semester. So here with the academic schedule has been attached here with. So based upon this, students will be knowing about the schedule of the odd semester when the internal assessment test commences, like that. So this is about the academic schedule for this course. Then we have reflections on online teaching. So I have given a Mentimeter quiz activity, then test marks, like that, 1 minute paper, Google Forms on online quiz, brainstorming mind map activity I have gone through. So this is the Mentimeter activity. Some questions I have shared with students, and the students also actively participated in this Mentimeter activity. Some 4 to 3 slides I have given, word cloud, like that, they have actively engaged here. So this is also one of the Mentimeter activity. This is the Google Forms I have created. So online quizzes. So students will be filling these questions and they will be submitting. So post submission they will be getting the marks. So this is the online quiz using Google Forms I have created. Then test mass, one paper, Google Forms, brainstorming, all those things. The students are actually participating, and they are encouraged to do such type of activities here. Then separately for each unit 1 PPT and notes, I have attached here handwritten notes and revision test on unit test 1, that is revision test 1 on unit 1 was kept, and the question has been attached here with, and live recording and recorded lecture has been given here, and YouTube link is also shared with the students so that the students can go through that and study the topics in their free time. So this is the YouTube link. It goes to the YouTube channel page. So here it has been presented by me. So this is the YouTube link of this channel. Likewise, I have shared basics of communication video also to them. So this is the basics of communication video I have shared with the students. It's taking time. So likewise, for each unit 1 to 5, I have created the modules separately for unit 1, 2, 3 like that. So I have attached the notes as well as PPT also here with. Then university 2 marks from 1 to 5 also I have attached here. Previously, university previous year questions also, model questions also enhanced, enclosed here with for the reference of the students. And then announcement session. I have given announcements for the students like this. Your students PPT has been uploaded in the module section in Canvas. Please go through it. Completion of assignment, revision test, like that. I have given the announcements also. I have posted the assignments too in the Canvas. So these are all the assignments I have posted. Then discussion sessions also I have created for module 1. So they have given the feedback on using Canvas. Kindly provide your valuable feedback on using this LMS Canvas. It's very useful to prepare our exam and easy to learn like that. And also it's very useful to refer the notes and slides platform to learn in that. Like that they have given the discussions forum they have given. And also have one more discussion also regarding IIT-1 discussion unit 1 module discussion forum. Regarding IIT-1, any doubts if we have, kindly discuss here. They have told no doubts ma'am, no doubts like that they have given. Then grades for assignments is also being given here. So this is the grades for the students, those who have submitted their assignments. Then so grades has been given for the students submitting the assignments. Then people, who are all the peoples of the course. Here with I have added the people of the class, students, all the students involved in this class has been added here as a student. And HOD of the department has been added as an observer here. She is a co-teacher and observer. She is observing the course here. So this is about the people session. Then syllabus I have shown here. Rubrics for the assignment is also being created here. So rubrics for the assignment is being given here. So quizzes also I have included here. So quiz session. So this is about the quiz. So I have given the quiz questions and the students have attended here. So attendance, I am taking the class through online Google Meet. So there Google Chrome Meet attendance is being installed, and the same has been monitored every day during the class hours. So this is about the course. Then so reflections on teaching Mentimeter, using Mentimeter activity, class poll, using online quiz, using Google Forms, 1 minute paper like that. I am teaching the online class. During the online class itself, I am posting all those things, and the students are actively participating, and they are encouraged to do all those activities, and they are learning the things very easily. So that's all. I thanks one and all for the opportunity given to me, and also thank my